eMaint's integrated into ERP system, SAP, so it allows us to issue POs and receive POs in and spare parts through eMaint, so we don't need to do it in two locations. But it also is integrated somewhat into our Reliability Center managed dashboards and our TPM program. Our eMaint integration into SAP at some of our sites is really linking our POs to our invoicing from eMaint to SAP, so it helps us manage our costs and also our PO invoices and inventory values. Some of our future goals with eMaint at HEXPOL would be full integration of our ERP system at all locations. HEXPOL is currently standardizing our ERP system across all 16 sites. Once that happens, we will link eMaint to our ERP, so all sites will be able to manage their spare parts, POs, invoices, and costs.
eMaint is integrated with SAP, with our Reliability Center maintenance, and with our TPM program strategy. And it's been so helpful because we just take the data from eMaint, we create specific reports with the way or the setup that we needed for those external systems. And we just take the data, put it there, and we get the new metrics. We have a bridge with SAP for purchasing orders, and it's been so helpful because eMaint has the ability to link everything to the spare parts, to the work orders, to the POs, to the assets. So integrating SAP for the sites that have SAP and being able to keep tracking that transaction in our spare parts and just do it the work once, it's been so helpful to reduce the time that we spend doing POs, and it's been so helpful to keep tracking the transactions or of all the spare parts.